Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm your teacher Miss Sitwat. As you know, now we are on lesson number 5 and today we will do page number 28. It's also about count and write and it is the last page of this topic. So let's see the video first and then I will tell you what we will do on this page.
Wow! Now let's all have a little fun with these balloons!
Yes, I hope you will like the video. Now, do you know what we will do on page number 28? Yes, we will do coloring in the balloons and we will count the balloons also. So let's start. Count and write. Color the balloons as you like. Come on the next line. Answer the following. Now number 1 is written. How many total balloons are there? How many total balloons are there? There are 20 balloons. It's already written over here. So move on the next. How many long balloons in all? How many long balloons in all? So you will count only long balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many long balloons are here? 4. So you will write number 4 in this box. Now you will take which color? You will take green color for the wavy balloons. Now question is how many wave balloons in all? So let's count from the picture. Now we will count wave balloon. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So wave balloon are 4. There are 4 wavy balloons. So we will write number. Are you ready for the next line? Yes. Next sum is how many round balloons in all? So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, is this round? No, this is not round. So you can erase that. That is not round. Yes, this is round. So these are, how many balloons are there? There are 8 round balloons. So you will write number 8. Now the last one is how many oval balloons in all? Let's count. 1. Now let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. So these are 4 oval balloons. I hope you understand this exercise. So do practice at home also. So with your mama on your rough copy. So take care and bye bye.